we're out here, lot day. Everybody left, but we're here with Mr. Moto. It's about to leave too. Okay. So we're just alone here. We're about to do some burnouts on the little choose tree.
Now you want to know why he don't let him ride it? He didn't listen when he rode it. He did a wheelie. He told him don't do a wheelie.
Hey yo, is that a hot dog in your hand?
Nigga, where's the hot dog?
Hey, yo! We got the glizzies on deck.
What the?
Twist them.
Bruh, I just turned it on, bruh. It turned off.
Seen that work, okay. Oh, the 450. They trading bikes. Oh, 450, woo! Yo, I gotta get a Grom. Fire. Why would, oh, okay. Get it. Okay. Get that work. Do a circle on me. Yeah, but pull back. Pull back. Oh. Hey, yo, what's going on? Hey, yo.
Hey, did I drop it though? I didn't. All right, let me ride it.
Give it one good get one.
Fuck, Motor Bro's better.
Let me call Motor Bro.
No.
Keep trying. Second gear. Hey, suave. Hey, yo. Do it in second gear. It's a little bit smoother. Hey, yo. Bueno, pues voy con Mrs. Tumoto porque Mr. Tumoto no está. Okay.
You already know.
Yo, these cookies are fire. Have I ever said that? They're fire.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
What? Yeah, it's just missing the logo, Mr. Tumoto right here.
Okay. Hey, y'all gonna see my bike tomorrow. Y'all gonna see what I'm gonna get tomorrow. ATV or dirt bike, y'all don't know. Y'all gonna see tomorrow's video. Stay tuned for tomorrow, cause we gonna be litty. Y'all gonna see what I got, and we're gonna be lit. We gonna hit the lot right after. So stay tuned, support, watch these videos, subscribe, comment, like, and share, guys. We're at the lot, and we're just gonna get some practice in before people get here. We got my boy Alexi in the cut. And then we got my boy Xavier over there in the cut. We're just gonna have a good day today. It's gonna be a short vlog, but we're just gonna get better practice. And you guys love these lot videos, so hope you guys really enjoy this video. Hit the thumbs up. And just a quick reminder for all you guys that ride at lots and you guys want to have a good time, party and all that, drink and all that while people are riding bikes, that's fine. But guys, keep the lots clean. Guys, look at this. This is really unacceptable. Cops don't want us here because look at all this. Look at all this trash. They don't want us here no more because people are throwing trash. At least I try to pick up. I don't try, I pick up. And I have all my boys pick up whenever I'm with them. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but this is glass. This is glass. This is from glass bottles, like alcohol glass bottles. Over here we have a case of Corona. Like, come on guys, like we gotta do better than this. Look at all we have. We got some black strings over there. Some water bottles. Guys, if you guys want the cop to let us ride here, we gotta be better than this. Look at this. Guys, come on. We're gonna keep getting kicked out if we don't do something about this. So little reminder, please guys, if you guys are from the lot or even if you guys ride to the lot, just help pick up. Just help pick up. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see this also, but more or less, if you guys can see the street, that's full of glass. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, the sun. This is all glass right here. I'm walking on glass. Look, that's glass. If you guys can see a little sparkles on the floor, that's glass. Look at all this right here. Glass. Glass in the middle. This is where we ride. Look, that is so dangerous. We're doing it on the safe side where there's no glass over there, but that is still dangerous. He's riding and there's glass on the floor. Look at guys. All glass right here. All glass right here. Look. Glass. Look. I'm not lying. Look. Glass. Guys, we gotta be better. But we're gonna enjoy today's video. We're gonna ride on the side that there's no glass. But just letting you guys know, please pick up after yourself.
Yo, we at the lot, you already know. We got my pet Draco. I'm scared. Hey. Let the camera turn to me. Listen, that's my pet named Draco, but I'm scared to touch it, you feel me? That's why I'm like 6 feet apart. But that's my dog. You see him looking at me? Dímelo, amigo. Oh, I touched the turtle.
Yo, we gotta get him out of here.
Nigga, I'm not touching that shit.
Record me. Alright. This turtle's at the lot. We gotta do a difference in this world, right?
This is my
I'm
turtle.
scared of turtles. I'm scared of turtles.
But this is my turtle.
I don't know what type of turtle.
It's not a snapping turtle. That's my pet turtle, Draco. I found him in the middle of the lot.
Don't come out, boy, because I swear I'll drop you. Let's go over here. Let's go over here.
Yo.
I swear I am so scared of this.
That one's dead.
You want to pet it?
Fuck no.
I don't even want to touch it.
Don't throw it though.
No, I won't. If he tries to get out, I'll throw it for sure.
Put him in the water,
Where's the water?
Over there.
That's tough. Hey, yo, I don't get paid enough for this.
Cabrón, nature. I said no lo tire.
Well, that's it. The turtle doesn't want to go anywhere, but his name is Carlos.
Carlos, ¿qué?
El que sabe, sabe, es Carlos. El de pantalón corto, ¿lo entiende? Alright guys, we've been here long enough. We riding, we outside. We are done. It's about to get dark, so you guys know I can't record in the dark. But hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for subscribing, sharing, following me, and supporting me. I'll see you guys at the next video. We're out.